Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today let's make some Guyanese cabbage and chicken. These are the list of the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box. So I would have already prepared my ingredients. I washed and seasoned my chicken. So to a preheated pan, we are going to add the chicken here and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. After which you're going to add some tomato paste and make sure to stir everything well. Then you're going to add your onions, garlic, carrots, bell peppers. Give this a good stir. After about 2 minutes, go in with your cabbage. Season to your likeness and taste, but everything I use will be in the description box. After about 20 minutes, it is done and this is what it looks like. I garnish with some tomatoes and parsley. And that's it, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.